Hey guys, welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to pluck and customize your frontal wigs. Now in this video, you will see that I did have some difficulties because this wig is not just a full frontal, but you guys will see in the video. So I really hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe if you are here for the first time, or subscribe if you are not subscribed and you've been here before. But yeah, just keep watching. So this is the wig. It is ash blonde, and I may have to cut it some because it's so thin. Like it's just thin at the end. Like, but the roots are supposed to be brown, and what's it supposed to be? But I don't know what it is. Like when I colored my wig, I did a wig like this, but my blonde was more of a yellow tone, not ash blonde, and I'll link it in the cards for you guys to watch. But it, like the brown turned green, so I don't know why it does that. But yeah, this is the wig. It's a 10-inch bob. It came blonde, and I should have showed all the color beforehand, but I'll post a picture of it. And yeah, this is the ash blonde color. I really don't know what the heck happened, like why it's so thin like that, but so I'll put it on the mannequin, and I don't have to let this down so y'all can see. I also don't know what colors that were used. My cousin colored it for me, so I'll be sure to ask her. That way I can leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I really don't know either if this is going to be like a 2-part or 3-part video, but we'll see, because I don't want this video to be too long. But I'm going to try to be very informative and give as much details and information as possible. All right, so I'm going to pin the wig down with some T-pins so it don't move during the plucking process. And I'm also mad at myself for not reading the description on this wig, because it is basically like I can only do it down the middle, a middle part, and I can pin this back if I wanted to, but the wefts start right here. So I guess these wigs are becoming popular because a lot of people wear middle parts now. But if I decide to want a deep part in my wig, you know, a deep side part, I can't do that. So now I'm just going to part the wig. Now I don't know if you guys can see that it has some hair over here, but I don't know if I'm gonna touch that part, because if I do wear it, I mean, you're not gonna be able to see it because I don't want my wefts showing, okay? But I am gonna do this side because I may decide to put it in like a little ponytail at the top. That's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. I also have never plucked a wig like this before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But first time for everything, we all here learning together, so we got this. These tips will definitely help you with another wig that's full lace. So these are the tweezers that I have, and I really love these. I got them from Amazon, and they were really affordable. I love like the slant. Like that's what you need when you're doing your wigs, something like this. So plucking to me is kind of what I taught myself, and just from watching videos of other YouTubers. But I like to start like at the front and just, it's kind of hard. I'm doing it on camera. And just pluck. And you never want to pluck in the same spot because for too long, because it can get bald right there. So see how I'm just moving along the hairline. Did y'all see me jump? Like the 4th of July is gonna give me a heart attack. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, we getting some hair, so we plucking, okay? And I like to take the end that's pointed and like slant it down like this and pull out. And then sometimes it may be too thick, so I like to like make another part, and it's kind of hard like this. Like I really should have, because the hair is so fine, should have used the hot comb, but like pluck down like this, so when you pull it back, you see that. And also like this too, like I can see like this area right here is really thick, so pluck some of that out, and I want to go behind the hairline as well. So I think with plucking too, like I hope I'm being detailed enough, because you like figuring out, you have to figure out a technique that works for you as well too, because I've watched tons of videos and I still have to figure out like how to do it myself, and then you'll have an eye for it as well. So like when I first started, I was going really slow. I didn't have an eye for it. I didn't know what to look for, but now you can see the difference. So I really hope that I'm helping y'all and explaining really well. And some people may have questions about the part, like how much do you know how to part, or how much to part basically. And I would say like you're doing baby hairs, like the amount you would take out if you were to do baby hairs, or if you were to not do baby hairs, just so like when you pull out, say, I know these are kind of thick, but say these are baby hairs, you want to pluck behind the baby hairs, and that way if you pull it back, it'll give a natural look like this, a natural hairline, if that makes sense. I keep saying if that makes sense, but I do want y'all to understand, to be able to understand. But with my hair being like this, I did pull out a lot of it with the weft starting right there, and I'm gonna have to pluck at the front, so up here. But I'm plucking as close to the wefts as possible, because I don't want to take out any hair on the hairline. And then how do you pluck? You basically grab a little section, a little tiny section, clamp down, pull, grab, clamp, pull. And the second time I parted thinner. And my camera cut off, but I hope you guys can see like the difference in the wigs. Like, look at that. So we are going to move on to this side over here and basically do the same thing.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
So I do want to say, when I pull the hair back like this, I'm trying to see what the hairline is gonna look like. So I know I need to pluck more in here because it's really thick right here still. So I could just take that out and focus on this area. And usually when an area is thick, I take out a lot more hair and I pluck down. I plug down like this.
See my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I don't know what this black stuff is right here. Oh, that's the hair color. The hair that I got on the frontal a little bit. So then we do the comparing and contrasting. Take you back to school so you can see here that I do need to do a little bit more plucking on this side, because this is more like, can you see the difference right here? This is more plucked and more defined. This side is more defined and plucked, and I could probably pluck right here a little bit more too, and then this side over here. So I still need to go in over here in this area that's thick. So I'm gonna take some more hair, but this time I see the problem area is behind, and that's where these wefts start. So I'm gonna try to go in up in here, because the weft starts right here, and that's kind of what makes it difficult, but God gifted our hands, so we got this. And if you are plucking with a full frontal, like there's nothing stopping you, then you just continue this process throughout the whole wig, like the whole front of the wig. You do the same thing. You won't stay in the same area because you will want your edges to look like the fronts, okay? So it's starting to look pretty much even, a little bit even. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, tell me what you think. And I'm gonna tell you girls too, plucking takes time. Like, I have been working on perfecting my wigs for about a couple of years, and plucking takes time. Being able to customize your frontals and your wigs to your liking takes time. So please be patient with yourself. If you don't get it this first time, then hey, you just don't get it. You just keep practicing. Do not give up on yourself, okay? Don't give up on yourself, ladies. We don't give up over here. We are a team over here, so I'll be glad to help anybody in any way that I can with anything. Like, if I'm not detailed enough, let me know. Just tell me what y'all need me to do and I will do it. I'll explain. I said don't get frustrated because I'm getting a little frustrated myself, because this side looks really, really good, and then this side is just not meeting my expectations at all. Or what do y'all think? Like, am I tripping? What? Am I tripping? And see, it's trial and error too. Like, you won't always get it right on the first try. Okay, it's starting to look a little bit better, I think, anyway. Okay, so next I'm gonna go get some flat irons and we're gonna straighten his hair and then cut it, because this right here ain't hitting it. It's not hitting at all. My battery about to die, so we all know how to flat iron. We all know how to straighten wigs, so I'm gonna just straighten the wig off camera since my battery is about to die, and then we'll come back on camera and cut when it's charged. I need to buy new batteries, but yeah, see y'all whenever that is. Okay, so I've already straightened the hair, so now I'm gonna cut to make it have like a little blunt look instead of this shagginess they got going on at the back. So this is what we're working with for right now. I don't know if I'm apply this wig on camera just yet, because I'm about to edit this portion and see how long it is, and see if I want to do 2 separate videos or just 1 video altogether. But yeah, you'll know soon. Alright, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And before you go, I have a surprise. So thank you for watching to the end, to the very end. I'm truly grateful that you have. And for that, I would like to give the giveaway, a little mini giveaway. So if it will load, this is a brush set that I bought with my own money. It's the Luxie Summer Days. I got this the end of last year to do a giveaway with, and I forgot I had it, so I'm gonna give it away now. So this is basically what the palette, not the palette, the brush set is. These are the brushes that come in there. So if you are interested in this and would like to win this, all you have to do is comment below. Just leave me a comment below. Any comment. You can comment on the video or anything like that. Just leave me a comment below. I'll randomly pick a person and have you comment your Instagram name. And yeah, that's it. That's all. You also must be subscribed, and you must like the video. But comment for sure, okay? Comment for sure. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.